Welcome to this Getting Started video, writing a Python program using Go Direct Event. Let's get things started by beginning a new program, and we'll give it a simple name, something like Event Test. Let's begin by going to Module and Add-on. Then we're going to go down to GDX Event and paste the import and the constructor into the editor. We want our program to continuously measure temperature and make a decision, so we'll need an indefinite loop that we can easily break out of. Such a structure is available under commands. While not escape, we'll continuously loop until the clear button is pressed. I'm going to select the getEvent method, which will measure temperature and store it in the variable named t. Then we'll just print that value out to look at it. Next, let's add another control structure, an if-else statement. Notice that these statements are all in the control menu. You don't need to type it in, just use the menu template. All of the syntax that you'll enter can be selected from the menu. I want my program to have a conditional. When the temperature is greater than a set point of 26 degrees centigrade, I want to print one message. And if that's not true, I'll print a different message. In this case, I'll print hot when it's greater than 26. Otherwise, we'll just print cold. Notice that most of the Python syntax that I need is selected from a menu. I don't really need to type in that much using the character keys. The program is almost finished. My program will loop indefinitely, measuring temperature, printing that temperature, and making a decision of if that temperature is greater than a set point. If it is, I print hot, otherwise I print cold. When I press the clear key, the while loop will break and I'll print a closing message of done. Now that we're finished coding, let's run our program. Since my Vernier Go Direct temperature sensor has already been paired with my TI Bluetooth adapter, when I run the program, it will automatically connect. My program begins by monitoring the temperature, and when I place it in the hot water, the temperature rises until the set point, and sure enough, it says hot. When I pull it out and put it in the cold water, the temperature drops, and when it goes under the set point, it shows cold. This illustrates a simple example of feedback and control. Well, that's it for coding with Go Direct sensors. Now that you know how to get data from any Go Direct sensor, let's see what you can make. Happy coding!